Stop hurting your wrists. The laptop trackpad is officially dead, and Logitech just drove the final stake through its heart. This is the brand new Logitech Mobi Fold. It's an ultra-portable, folding wireless mouse that collapses to nearly half its size. Slide it in your pocket like a smartphone, snap it open to work, and watch your mobile productivity completely change. At just 79 grams, it weighs basically nothing. But don't let the lightweight feel fool you. Logitech wrapped this in a dust-resistant silicone sleeve and built a hinge tested to survive 15 years of daily folding. Unlike older flat travel mice that feel like holding a piece of cardboard, the Mobi Fold locks into a natural, ergonomic arch. The data don't lie. Logitech's ErgoLab proved it cuts forearm muscle strain by 22% compared to standard trackpads. The best part? No power button. Unfold it to turn it on, fold it flat to turn it off. Frictionless. Look closely and you'll notice something missing: the mechanical scroll wheel. Logitech replaced it with an adaptive touch panel. Slow drag for precision, line-by-line reading. Fast flick for hyper-speed scrolling through endless lines of code or massive spreadsheets. And zero wheel means zero pocket lint clogging up your hardware. But beneath that touch panel is where the real magic happens. You get two fully customizable buttons. Link them to the Logitech Options Plus app to trigger smart action templates. One click can literally launch your entire workspace or pull up an AI assistant instantly. Let's talk pure utility. A full charge via USB-C keeps this beast alive for a solid 30 days. But if you're in a panic before a major presentation, a microscopic 1-minute quick charge pumps out 22 hours of battery life. With their signature Easy Switch tech, you can pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, jumping from your laptop to your iPad with a single button tap. Plus, the clicks are completely silent, making it the ultimate tool for quiet library sessions or tight airplane seats. For $80, the Logitech Mobi Fold completely resets expectations for mobile tech. It takes the old Microsoft Arc concept and upgrades it with smarter software, incredible fast charging, and insane durability. Drop a comment. Are you rolling with graphite, off-white, or that clean lilac? Drop a like, hit subscribe for more cutting-edge tech drops, and we'll see you in the next one.